In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate TradingView indicators with alerts, no coding required. We'll walk through turning any indicator on your chart into a hands-off alert, so you never miss a signal. All you need is a TradingView account and a chart open in your browser. Start by opening TradingView and heading to the chart page. If you land on the home page, use the Chart button at the top. That takes you to the full charting interface where the magic happens. Next, click Indicators on the top toolbar. This opens the indicators library. You can pick from built-in tools like Moving Average and RSI, or Community Scripts. Search for the indicator you want, then click it to add it to your chart. You should see it appear either overlaid on price or in its own pane below. On the chart, hover your mouse over the indicator's name in the legend area. A small menu with 3 dots will appear. Click those 3 dots to reveal more options. From that menu, choose Add Alert. This opens the alert creation window, which is where you connect your indicator to an automated condition. In the condition dropdown, select the indicator and the specific signal you care about. Depending on the indicator, you'll see options like crossing, crossing up, crossing down, greater than, or less than, often compared to a value or another line. Pick the combination that matches your strategy. For example, you might alert when a moving average crosses above another or when RSI crosses below a threshold. Now set the alert, trigger, and expiration. Trigger determines how often the alert can fire. Choosing once per bar close reduces noise by waiting for the candle to finish. Once per bar responds faster during the bar, and only once fires a single time. Expiration defines how long the alert stays active. Choose a date and time that aligns with your testing window, or leave it running for longer if your plan requires it. Double-check your chart time frame and time zone so the alert behaves as expected. When everything looks right, click Create to activate the automation. TradingView will monitor the condition on its servers, so the alert can trigger even if your browser is closed. You'll see the active alert listed in the Alerts panel, and you can manage, pause, or delete it anytime. That's all there is to it. Quick, clean, and code-free. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.